Work from home for me has been quite positive, to be honest, because it allows me the freedom to basically manage my tasks, personal as well as professional, in a very timely manner. And it's minus all the travel time, right? So I think that is a huge benefit, because living in a city like Bombay, when you're like an hour or 2 hours just driving to work, I think that is very well utilized by aligning your tasks. And since I'm leading a team, right, in terms of digital, it becomes very essential for me to have enough time to study different industry trends that are happening in today's day and age and keep myself up to date. So I think work from home gives me the liberty to, time for myself. We do meet once a month in office, like say 4-5 days, but yeah, we balance it out.